clip if you want, but I'll just do that. And then I like to use a paddle brush, and I'll start down here, begin to brush it, hold it tight at the base. To this side, do the same thing. And then we'll begin to flat iron. After I stop hearing the snagging, and you can go in with your fingers and you can kind of loosen that up a little bit. So my extensions are 3 months old, so sometimes I'll lose one while I'm doing this. That's gonna be normal. So now I'm getting pretty high up, so I've got all this done, and you can see where my grow out is. I'm just gonna start just doing sides only. So I'm gonna do this side, that's it, and then I'm gonna work my way that way and then that way, and then I'm gonna actually work on the back. So right now, though, because there's such a big huge bump there, I'm going to unplug this. My bathroom is awesome, there's only one outlet, so I end up having to plug things in. So I'm gonna take this. Flatter because they've been growing for a minute. Because I have a natural wave in my hair. My extensions will create like a natural bump. So like right at the root it'll create this natural bump. Most people get that, but it sucks. There's a lot of reasons why people have to remove their extensions because that bump there. But here we go. I'm gonna flat iron just below them. And then I hold really tight to the top, and yep, it's hot. Sometimes you wanna start and maybe just stop, let it cool, so you can grab the top without letting the extensions be yanked out, because you're gonna press pretty hard. And then come through here. Like I said, I like the paddle brush. You wanna be careful, hold super tight at the top of your extensions. They are they'd be pretty easy to slip out at this point if you're not careful. Okay. So I can tell I pulled down way too much hair, but I'm still trying to brush it out. Here's the back. So as I'm doing this, I can see that my hair is getting extra dry because they're older. So I'm taking a little bit of serum and I'm just gonna work that out. So too much serum is not horrible for your extensions, just so you know. But I do put the serum at the base of my extensions. And like I said, I have too much extension out, so I'm gonna have to put some of these extensions up. So I'm gonna go and take a section and just put it up. Yeah, too much hair. Take this and grab another clip if you have one. I kind of use whatever is available when it comes to the little stuff. And put that up. And see, you can find a little, it's still probably a little too much hair, so just take little sections then. And I'm gonna hold the top because my extensions are also at their most fragile. So they're probably gonna start slipping out. So then right here, I'm gonna take a little more serum. And I'm going to just kind of hit it on all of the edges of my hair just to make it so that it stays nice and smooth. And then we'll continue this tonight when I go to bed and show you how I put it up and put it up so that I can sleep on it, and then the next morning what I do. So this is going to be the start of the tutorial.